Excel revolutionized, say goodbye to complex formulas with the AI-powered spreadsheet. AI just killed Excel forever. No more complex formulas and 100-hour YouTube tutorials. Here is the AI version of Excel, and enjoy it for free. Excel is out, AI is in. Integrate ChatGPT into your spreadsheets with Rose.com. Step into the future of data handling with AI that turns spreadsheets into smart sheets, backhand index pointing down. 1. Let's get started. Go to Rose.com, sign up for free. 2. Import your data. Under Actions, upload your data via a file or integrations like Google Analytics, Twitter, Google Sheets, and more. 3. Tap into the magic of AI. With Rose AI Analyst, you can create graphs and charts, ask questions about the data, summarize data, do trend analysis. Imagine a data analyst with top-tier skills, available at your fingertips. 4. Struggling with complicated ad names? Use AI to apply rules that extract and clean up text equals apply_task_OpenAI, works like magic. 5. Need to summarize product reviews, customer support emails, or survey responses? I've got you covered. Equals apply_task_OpenAI, summarize it into 2 bullet points. 6. That's it? Create unlimited product descriptions for your e-commerce shop, equals apply_task_OpenAI, create a compelling product description for the following item. Your personal data analyst, access the power of AI to analyze, summarize, and transform data. Build better spreadsheets, faster. Try it for yourself for free.